up, guys. If you're looking for a Doordash, if I can speak, if you're looking for a Doordash promo code to get free food in 2023, then this video is for you. Basically, guys, I was doing an order the other day on Doordash, and I thought, hey, why don't I look for an existing customer's promo code that can basically save me as much money as possible. And I after looking through like pages and pages of results, as you can see here, for promo codes for Doordash, I managed to find a working promo code that gives you $100 account credit for Doordash, so you can get $100 of free food. And it takes you a few minutes to get this code, and it's well worth it, guys. I've used it multiple times now. So it's pretty easy. Let me talk you through it. You need to go to this website, giftcardhero.net. So go directly to this website, and you need to look for this Doordash promo code page. If you press this green button at the bottom, brings up a menu, and you can see there is a search function built in. So I just searched Doordash in there, and basically that's how you get to this page. Now we need to click this and scroll down, and as you can see here, Doordash account credit. So this is going to give me a code in which I can put into the promo code section on the Doordash app, and it's going to give me a balance to spend how I wish. So let's unlock the code, guys, by pressing this button. And you can see I need to complete a verification. This is pretty much you can read this. It says follow the instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds, and this verifies you are not a robot. So basically this is to stop robots and programs from stealing all of these very handy codes. So you've just got to complete a couple of these. I'm going to click the top one, for example, which is a survey, and I'm going to fill in the information it asks here. It does email me the code as well, so I've got to put in my email address. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a second one as well, so complete 2 of them. And I'll do both of these and return. I won't make you watch it, so give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll just complete it, guys. So I completed 2 of these surveys. Now, if you've done that correctly, when you return to Gift Card Hero and scroll down, here we go. So it's now given me my Doordash $100 account credit code. So this is a code, when I enter it into the Doordash promo code section, it's going to give me $100 to spend, and I can get $100 of free food. It's as easy as that. So that's how you get your own, guys. Go to Gift Card Hero and get your Doordash promo code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.